Not quite sure what the second cover's for, but it's difficult to get off. The grip is real nice. This has limited movement. I don't know why this has such limited movement here. It's just got this small groove. If I need to come at a different angle, I'm limited. I guess I would prefer that this came all the way to here, just like this side does. So that's the only thing I really see. It comes with 2 batteries, small enough to get in tight spaces. I like that. The grip is good. Feels easy on the hands. Nice little addition. See, 1 diamond blade, 1 cutting disc. I guess these would be for wood or drywall. And a flap disc. Plastic backing though. I'm not crazy about that, but it's a nice little kit. And then the charger is just a little barrel type charger. 16 volt. Yeah, I wish it was a little more uniform, but 16 volt. And it's easy to read. It's hard to get that one mixed up.
What's going on, everyone? How y'all doing today? Anyways, I got this grinder the other day because for work, you know, I just cut like deadbolt seals and wire seals and whatnot off my trailer. It's better than using bolt cutters because you got to use a lot of force, right? So, anyways, I actually bought one of these because the guy at the warehouse had one of these, and I was like, 29 bucks or 35 or whatever it was. It comes with 2 batteries. Comes with a bunch of other attachments, but I'm not going to use those, so I just threw those out. You know, comes with a charger. This is actually the box right here, and I just want to make this quick review because one of the reviews I was reading was I was cutting cardboard from a bed frame, and I couldn't cut through it. Okay, well, did you put the wheel on right? That's my first question. And the second question is, if this thing can't cut cardboard, then what good is it? So I'm just going to go ahead and prove to you that it does cut cardboard, and then you can make your own decision if you want about it or not, especially if you want to cut cardboard. But here's a piece of cardboard right here. It has a little safety switch right here, so just so y'all know how to use it, you got to press this before you press this, because if you press this, it doesn't work. So, and that's about it. But look, here you go. It cuts the cardboard. Everything is all fine and dandy. It wasn't pre-cut before, as you saw, and all good to go. Anyways, y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching my review on this grinder doohickey thing, and enjoy cutting cardboard.